Let's rest the meat, unveiling the secret for juicier dishes. Hello, culinary enthusiasts and English learners. Today we're going to dive into a phrase that's common in cooking shows and recipes: rest the meat. If you've ever wondered what this means and why it's so important, you're in for a treat. Let's unravel this culinary mystery together. When recipes instruct you to rest the meat, they're telling you to allow the cooked meat to sit undisturbed for a period of time after cooking and before cutting. This is not about taking a nap but about letting the meat's juices redistribute. Why? We'll explain in the next section. Resting meat is all about juiciness and flavor. When meat cooks, the heat causes its muscle fibers to contract and the juices to be pushed out towards the surface. If you cut into the meat immediately after cooking, those flavorful juices will end up on the cutting board instead of in your meat. By resting it, you're giving the meat time to reabsorb some of those juices, resulting in a moister, tastier bite. Here are the simple steps to rest your meat perfectly every time. 1. Remove the meat from the oven or grill and place it on a cutting board or a plate. 2. Tent the meat loosely with foil. This keeps it warm without creating too much steam. 3. Wait before you slice. The exact time depends on the size of the meat. A good rule of thumb is to rest the meat for about 5 minutes for every inch of thickness. Steaks and chops. Rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Roasts. Rest for 10 to 20 minutes. Large cuts like turkey or whole chicken. Rest for 20 to 30 minutes. Remember, resting meat doesn't mean it'll become cold. It should remain warm if tented properly. And there you have it, folks. Resting the meat is a simple step that makes all the difference between a good meal and a great one. Try it out the next time you cook meat, and taste the difference for yourself. Happy cooking, and we hope this video has enriched your culinary vocabulary and skills.